Hi there, it's me again, Karen Lanoue from AttractMoreNow.com, and I help people move to the top of their field so they can live the life that they want, in the way that they want. And 2 moments ago, I was on here, and as I was talking about the appliance man calling, and he did just went right on cue. It was just quite amazing. Anyways, I was talking about distraction, and if you didn't watch the first one, I'm here with my puppy. He's been sick, since early this morning, and so I'm just keeping a close eye on him. And I have that luxury this morning. Although I had some responsibilities, and one of the things that I had set out to do today was to do a live stream. And here I am. I'm doing that, and so as I've said before, it's like, don't let those distractions stop you. So, and it's really easy to let those distractions stop you and take you off course. And again, in as an entrepreneur or in business and management, those things pop up all the time. And what tends to happen is that we get sidetracked. And that's why I thought it was important to come back and finish this call and finish doing this video. And I'm sorry, I'm not set up in my normal setup where I have my tripod and everything. I'm just holding on to my camera. That's why it's a little wobbly. But here's the thing, is that you want to move forward no matter what the distractions are. What I find distractions tend to be, typically, not always, but typically, is that as we are moving towards something that we're really wanting to accomplish and the things that we're trying to achieve, anytime we kind of go off the status quo, what happens is these distractions will pop up, and however they happen, it's like our subconscious mind it wants to keep the status quo. That's its job to do, is actually to keep us safe and keep the status quo. So when we're doing something different, and moving towards a goal, moving towards a new action, or taking newer, bigger actions in our business, distractions come up all the time, and they just suddenly seem to appear, and they appear in all kinds of forums. And today, my forum is my puppy. In the past, what's happened also is other family matters have come up. There's just or you get sick, or there's just all kinds of different things that tend to pop into our path when we are about to make some really big shifts and really to make some very big moves in our lives, in our business. My challenge to you is, when those distractions come up, especially if you're an entrepreneur and you're working on your own at home, and you're working alone, is to not get sidetracked by those, to make sure that you keep on track. And sometimes it's just as easy as making a list and saying, okay, these are the things that I need to do around this goal, this thing that I'm working towards. What is the one thing I absolutely have to do today? And just go do it, okay? Because life happens. That's without a doubt, it's true. And again, when you are in a position, again, whether you are in management or have your own business, being in the position to actually live your life and do the things that need to be done when they come up. Again, sometimes they're distractions. That's a wonderful place to be. So it's great, but don't let it derail you. So again, my challenge to you is, when those distractions come up, look after what needs to be looked after, circle around, come back to do what you intended to do. Just like for me this morning, I had another topic in mind for this morning, and it got derailed. And I could have easily just said, hey, I'm not going to do this today. I'm not going to, I'm going to put off doing this session today. But I didn't. And so I just improvised and came back and did this call instead. Because again, I think it's really, really crucial. One thing that I found as an entrepreneur and working on my own is that this stuff happens all the time, and it's really easy to get distracted and not let that happen, and not get done the things that you want to get done. So I will leave you with that today. Hey, if you like this, please just hit the like button down below. Feel free to share this with your friends, with your entrepreneur friends, and your management, people who are, again, wanting just to move up to the top of their field. Please share this with them. And in the meantime, I just go out and do your magic today. And it's a beautiful day here. I hope it's a beautiful day where you are. It's a beautiful day because you're in it. All right. Take care, and have an awesome rest of your day. Okay. Bye-bye.